Hello guys! Ayan, magbanding kami ni Mami.
Magbabanding kami. Wala pa akong kilay guys. As in, walang kilay. Kalbo.
Kalbo pa siya, kalbo. So, magbanding kami today guys. So, i-surprise ka. Ano sana?
Isa-surprise kayo namin.
Yes, yan.
Kung saan kami magbabanding.
Yes. So, surprise guys. So, hindi namin sasabihin. Kaya, surprise nga, no? Kaya, hindi sasabihin. Ayan, check it out, guys. And see you soon. Mag-strawberry picking po kami. Ayan, is strawberry picking. So, pick your own dito guys. So, ang procedure, bumili ka nito. Kasi, ito ang kailangan mo to maximize how many yung mapipik mo. Pero bayad na to siya guys. And then, of course, you need to bring also umbrella. Kasi, mainit kasi today, guys. Kaya, mag-umbrella kayo. Kasi sobrang init today. I think it's 25 degrees at the moment, guys. And then, ito yung farm. So, that's the farm, guys. So, at the moment, kaya nag-pick your own sila guys kasi nga, end of season ng strawberry. So, actually, they just end of that to make people enjoying na maka-experience sila guys how hard is the mag-pick ng strawberry. Ayan. So, kaya dun sa market guys, pag bumili kayo ng strawberry, huwag nyo naman ding i-bargain kasi mahirap ang pickers. Mahirap din ang company. Ayan. So, the purpose is to know how to procedure it is. So, kahit mahal siya sa market, you need to buy it because yun nga, mahirap mag-pick ng strawberry. Yeah, so anyway, that's all for today guys. So, I hope ma-enjoy kayo sa aming strawberry picking today. Bye!
You'll be alright,
Ayan guys, I think guys wala siguro mangyayaring picking today sa akin kasi parang ang hirap ata ang mag-pick na nagpapayong guys. But anyway guys, parang ang hirap mag-pick na nakapayo. Siguro kailangan ko mag-sombrero. Actually, ako lang ang nagpapayo guys. Ayan. Ako lang nagpapayo dito. Masyadong maarty ang kanyang yung host. Ayan. So, walang mangyaring picking. So anyway guys, ayan, mag-enjoy ako guys. And then, punuin ko itong isang plastic panet ko. Ayan, tinatawag siyang panet guys. So, ayan, samahan nyo kami. Ayan, marami. Ayan, mag-vlog siyang ng kanya. Ayan guys. Akong partner in crime. Ayan guys, mag-enjoy kami guys ha. Ayan. Bye! Ayan guys, dito lang ako magpipig kasi mainit doon. Ayan guys, oh. Ito lang ako sa tabi. Here, oh. Here guys. Paano mag-pig like this guys? Dito sa akin kasi so ayan guys, tapos na kami nag-picking. Ayan, mahangin sa labas guys. Ayan, so sana guys na-enjoy kayo sa aming banding ni Mamita o si Live TV. Ayan, ito yung sinabi naming surprise sa inyo guys. Ayan, ito yung new venture namin. Ayan, so ayan, na-enjoy si Mamita guys kasi nga first time niya dito mag-picking ng strawberry. Ayan, dinala ko siya dito guys, sinurprise ko siya. Sabi ko, mag-ano lang kami, magpasyal, mag-coffee or mag-lunch.
Ang sarap guys!
Ayan, so na-surprise siya.
Sobra.
Yes.
Ang sarap, ang tamis. Inom na inom.
Yes.
Galing sa puno.
Kaya guys, abangan nyo guys ang kanyang strawberry vlog and also our compilation video banding. Ayan. So that's all for today guys. Ayan, mga friendship ko. Ayan, share ko sa inyo itong strawberry na nabuo ko. Ayan. Team Tuwad, Team Sexy. Ayan, para sa inyo ito. Ayan. So that's all for today guys, and thanks for watching, and I hope na enjoy kayo sa aming vlog today, sa aking vlog. And Pinas Australia is signing off with this beautiful strawberry farm guys. Ayan. I love you all. God bless.
Sorry ass DJ.
You can get some.
Pinas Australia 75. Ayan, inviting you to join me to my mukbang. Okay guys, umpisahan na natin. Ayan, so i-dipping nyo lang. Want to try, Han?
It's not bad.
Strawberry with
I
chocolate.
got like a sugar with that taste of
Alam niyo. Kasi yung strawberry guys is matabang. It's not sweet. Masarap siya guys kasi hindi sweet yung strawberry. So, tama lang siya. It's good hand kasi it's good hand because it's not sweet. Okay. Alright? Okay. William, you want more? Here, oh. With Nutella. Good night, Han. Here. Did you put Nutella? It's very yummy, Baba. You want to finish over there? The small one? Favorite kasi niya yung strawberry na. Strawberry guys. Kaya ayun. Ganun sila ka-support na. Hindi sila ka-supporter sa akin. Love nila yung mami niya. Hindi ka na. Last. Super yummy good guys. Yan. Yummy kayo guys. So, grabe. Grabe good siya. Ay, hindi na kada. Ganda-ganda na ito kung nakaon. Ugma na sa... Ako rin po yung paano nila. Yan. So, anyway guys, I hope na-enjoy mo sa akong mukbang na strawberry red, naughty like chocolate. So, that's all for tonight, guys. And I hope na-enjoy kayo sa aking strawberry mukbang. And thanks for watching, guys. This is Kinas Australia. And please do like and subscribe and share, guys. Para naman maraming makakita sa ating mga video. Ayan. So, that's all. And thank you once again. And God bless. I love you all.
I'm playing